PRJ is the most generic extension on Earth. It could be from a dozen different programs. The only way to know which one created it is to open it in Notepad and read the first few lines of text. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's solve the mystery. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky PRJ errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. We can trace the origins of the PRJ extension back to the GIS file specification. It conforms to the established project file protocol. The PRJ file is a generic project file used by various applications. For ArcGIS, it functions as a plain text file containing geospatial projection metadata, defining the coordinate system for a map or data layer. Developed by ESRI, the format is structural and contains projection syntax, e.g., WKT or PRJ format. The file's integrity relies on adherence to the geospatial coordinate system definition. It is only useful when placed alongside the data file it describes, e.g., a shapefile. This proprietary format is best opened by Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation for the PRJ type. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows shows limited details, so viewing or editing requires GIS applications. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your PRJ file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Studio if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. When your PRJ file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the PRJ file. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g., CAD, video editor, or development environment, that created the file. Next, use the original application, launch the original application, and use its file, open or import function to load the project. Finally, check dependencies. Ensure all associated media and data files referenced by the project are present in the correct path. When application failures continue, the PRJ file requires advanced decoding. The professional tool we've discussed is the most reliable option to try. End the frustration with the one-click fix. I recommend the powerful universal viewer, FileMagick, for your PRJ files. FileMagick.com. I appreciate the loyal subscribers. New viewers, please subscribe and welcome to the team. Hope your file stays open.